Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I'm doing some honey lime chicken breast, and for this I'm using chicken breast that I've cut in half. I'm also going to be using some garlic pepper seasoning, which is garlic powder and black pepper mixed. I'm going to pour the seasoning all over. Next I'm going in with some olive oil, and next I'm going in with some sea salt. And I'm also going to be going in with the juice of half of a lime. Now with limes, they tend to start cooking your meat. So that's why I'm not going to allow it to marinate. We're going to go straight into cooking. And now I've mixed all my ingredients together and I'm going to get the pot ready to start. And I'll be using my cast iron skillet for this recipe. Now first I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm also going to go in with some olive oil. I do want the butter to become a little brown before I add my chicken. As you can see, the butter got brown a bit. And we're going to go in with our chicken slices. So to get juicy chicken breast, do not cook the chicken all the way through on the stove top, because this is going to go into the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm just flipping it over and you can see that beautiful brown color. And now it's done on the underside as well. And I'm going to be removing and plating. Now we're going to use the same skillet. I'm just going to add some butter. Allow that to melt. And next I'm going to go in with my lime juice. And that lime juice is going to awaken all those little particles that stuck to the bottom and everything. All that is flavor. Do not clean out your skillet. You see, it's awakening everything at the bottom of that pan. Yes, that's what we want. And next, we're going to start going in with our honey. You can use whatever your preference is. I'm just using the raw honey. Look how beautiful this sauce looks. Yes. And I'm going to be adding some of my dark soy sauce as well. Just about a teaspoon. More like a tablespoon. My hand heavy. Forgive me. Just going to mix it all together. And now we're going to start placing our pieces of chicken breast into this beautiful sauce. And now comes my favorite part, basting that chicken. Now you can use your turkey baster. I already had a spoon out. I didn't want to wash any more dishes, so I just used my spoon. And I'm just putting that sauce all over the top of the chicken. That adds moisture. And also for when you put it in the oven, it's going to get that beautiful golden brown color on your chicken. Now my oven is set on broil, and I am going to be placing the chicken in there right now. And 5 minutes into it, I'm going to take it out to baste, and I'll be showing you the end product. And this is my honey lime chicken after 10 minutes in the oven, guys. The oven was on broil. And my chicken is super juicy. About to serve this with some rice and peas and some steamed veggies and mashed potatoes as well. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you tried this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks again, and hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.